Hey, this is Leah from Imagine DIY, and I'm back again with another step-by-step guide showing you how I made this pocket fold invitation using products available on our website. So if we open it up, you can see there's room in the pocket for the guest information, the RSVP card, and also a really pretty invitation panel that we've added a pearl self-adhesive to, which is just a nice finishing touch. So on our website, there's all the templates that you can download. There's also a full design guide and a full product list. So that's on imaginediy.co.uk. So I've already pre-cut the RSVP card down to size, and I'm just going to show you the guest information is just slightly too large to fit inside the pocket. So I'm going to use a paper trimmer just to trim a tiny bit off each edge. So roughly about 0.5 centimetres off each side, and then that should fit neatly in the pocket. There. We're just going to slot the RSVP card in, and then we need to stick the invitation panel inside the invitation. So I'm using a double-sided tape runner and just running tape around the outside edges and across the middle, and then press it into place on the invitation panel and just make sure your borders are nice and even. So the next thing we're going to do is add the self-adhesive embellishment. So we just need to peel that off the backing sheet. This can be a little bit tricky, but once you get started it's really easy. So if you can see, I've just got it a little bit stuck there, but just a little tease and you can get that unstuck again. So just use a little bit of care and you'll be absolutely fine. So once it's completely off the backing, it should hold this shape, and we're just going to press it into place, starting in the middle at the bottom and working up, and just making sure you keep it in the pretty shape that it is there. And that's a really nice, elegant finishing touch to the inside. So we're just going to do the outside now. And we're going to take some lace, and we're going to take just over twice the width of the invitation. So maybe 1.5 centimetres, 2 centimetres or so, and cut that off. We're then going to take a double Dior bow, which are also available on our website, or you can make them yourself. And we're going to stick that on top of the lace using a glue gun. I've just applied a tiny bit of glue to the back of the center of the bow there, and I'm just pressing it gently into place. I'm then going to use a tiny bit of glue at the end of the lace and press the ribbon into place. You need to make sure you don't press too hard because you don't want it to stick to the back surface, and then just lift it quickly. We're going to do this on the opposite side as well, and I will just make sure the bow sits neatly on top of the lace. Perfect. So now lifting the bow on top of the invitation at the front center, we're folding both sides around to the back, and then we're going to use the glue gun again to just run a small line across the back underneath where the ribbon will be, and press that into place, and that will just form a band around your card. Make sure you don't do it too tightly or too loosely. So we're just going to glue the embellishment into place now, and just a small amount of glue from the glue gun on the back, press it into place, and your invitation's done. How awesome is that? So these are really easy to make. You can make them at home. Everything is available on our website, even a printed template. So visit our website www.imaginediy.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Bye.